Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great week. Today I'm showing you how to make a no-bake triple chocolate cheesecake. This one is a highly requested recipe by one of my subscribers, Byron. Hey Byron, this one is for you. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna start off by showing you how to make the base. I've got some crushed digestive biscuits and I'm gonna pour over some melted butter. Now you can either crush these digestive biscuits in a food processor or pop them in a Ziploc bag and beat them with a rolling pin. That can go into a loose bottom cake tin once that's all mixed together nicely. I've lined mine with some baking paper just so it's a lot easier to get the cheesecake out later. Press that down with the back of your spoon. You want to get it nice and compact and flat. This is now ready to go in the fridge to start setting while we make the filling. I love no-bake cheesecakes because they're super easy to whip up. I've got some cream cheese I'm gonna pop into a large bowl. I'm gonna add in some caster sugar, not too much though, as we're adding quite a bit of white chocolate. Pour that in and give that a beat together. I'm gonna add in some boiling water. In next goes the melted white chocolate. Look how smooth and delicious that looks. I've let that cool slightly though because you don't want to add it when it's too hot. So leave that to cool first. And then finally, all that's left to add is the double cream. Your base will probably be set by now, but it will carry on firming up when it's in the fridge later. So I'm gonna pour over my white chocolate cheesecake filling. It's smooth and it's thickened up nicely. This can now go into the fridge to set. On top of my cheesecake, I'm going to add a milk chocolate whipped cream. This is going to be the second chocolate of the cheesecake. We've already got white chocolate in the filling. I'm gonna sweeten that double cream up slightly with some icing sugar. I'm gonna whip that up until it forms soft to firm peaks. Before I add the chocolate into the cream, I'm going to add a small amount of the cream into the chocolate and mix that all together first. I'm gonna scoop my milk chocolate layer on top of my white chocolate layer. It's been in the fridge for a little bit, so it'll be a bit firmer now. On top of my cheesecake, I'm gonna add some strawberries dipped in dark chocolate. I didn't want to go for a dark chocolate cheesecake layer, wanted to make mine a little bit different. So grab some fresh strawberries, make sure they're nice and washed, and dip them into some melted dark chocolate. Now you can't have a triple chocolate cheesecake without dark chocolate. I didn't want to have a whole layer of dark chocolate cheesecake, otherwise I think it would turn it a bit too rich. This way I think it's a nice, lovely, fresh and light way to add the dark chocolate. You want to place these into the fridge until they have completely set, and then you can decorate the top of your cheesecake. Just make sure your cheesecake is set before serving, but then it's ready to enjoy. So that is how you make my triple chocolate cheesecake. Easy.